So you want to master your back handspring. Maybe you have your back handspring and just want to get better at it. Or maybe you want to learn a back handspring for the first time, but you want to do it outside the gym at home where you don't have mats, you don't have someone to spot you. Well, is it possible to get a strong back handspring? Yes, it is. Now, the first thing you want to work on is your bridge. It might seem really simple, but it's very essential for the back handspring. And when you do your bridge, you want to make sure your fingertips are pointed towards your feet, and you want to push up as high as you can, getting straight arms, and try to push your chest over your wrist. And you want to be able to hold this for a good amount of time. Now, once you have a strong bridge and you can hold it, you want to conquer your fear of going backwards. Now, one of the best ways I think to do this is doing what is called a backward roundoff, where you reach one hand behind you at a time and you kick your feet over your head through a handstand position and bring both feet down just like you would in a back handspring. After you master it from standing, you can go and add a little hop to it and do a hopping backward roundoff. Now, I must pause here and say the most common argument with that last step I just explained was that the backward roundoff, it's going to mess up your back handspring because you're going to learn to throw your back handspring crooked. Well, that's as true as teaching you a roundoff is going to mess up your cartwheel. Might it mess it up? Yes, of course, but that is if you don't learn that these are two different techniques. This is not teaching you how to do a back handspring. This is teaching you to conquer your fear of going backwards. So if you keep it at that, it will be much help to you. Now, this next drill isn't absolutely necessary, but it is extremely helpful, especially for going from going over the shoulder like we just did in the backward roundoff to going straight back over the head. And it is a back bend from standing. So what you want to do, of course, you want to stand and you want to drop straight back over the head, not going to the side at all, straight back and catching in a good, strong bridge. Now, again, not absolutely necessary. I can't do one, but if you can do one, this will be extremely helpful for your back handspring. Another drill you can do is called the speed back bend. So you want to swing your arms just like you're going into a back handspring, but where you would normally jump, you want to drop straight back into that bridge, into that back bend and catch with strong, tight arms. And now the question is, how do you generate the power to get over your head when you jump in the back handspring? And the answer is not the legs, but the arms. See, the arms are the most important part of your rotation. So you want to swing the arms from up above the head past the waist and swing as fast as you can back up, feeling that jerk in your shoulders like you're trying to swing your arms behind your head. And if you do it right, it should make you feel like you're about to fall backwards. And of course, after you master this, just add the jump. And in order to do the back handspring, all you have to do is sit back into your jump like you're sitting in a chair, swing those arms and jump, and you will do your back handspring. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So remember to subscribe, to like, and to share this with anyone you know who you think could be benefited by this video. And if you have any questions, because I did not by any means cover everything. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer you, even if I have to make a video just for you. Y'all have a good day.